Good afternoon, everyone. This is Uday Bhattu. Welcome to Uday GK and Entertainment. Today's our video and today's our topic is about new CEC. Recently, Mr. Ganesh Kumar IAS, retired IAS, former bureaucrat from Kerala cadre, he was appointed as the new CEC, and his tenure, he will going to take charge on 18 February 2025, and his tenure will complete on March 31st 2029. March 31st 2029. మనకి కొత్త సిఈసి వచ్చారండి, మిస్టర్ గణేష్ కుమార్. ఆయన 18 ఫిబ్రవరి 2025లో అపాయింట్ అయ్యారు. 18 ఫిబ్రవరి 2025. అండ్ ఆయన ఎప్పటి వరకు కంటిన్యూ అవుతారు అంటే 31st మార్చ్ 2029 వరకు కంటిన్యూ అవుతారు. ఆయన టర్మ్ 31st మార్చ్ 2029కి కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ హూ ఇస్ దిస్ గణేష్ కుమార్? A 1988 batch IAS officer from Kerala cadre. He was graduated from Guwahati. He was graduated from IIT degree. He was graduated from with IIT degree from Bihar Patna IIT University, and he was joined in the civil services on 1988 in Kerala cadre. He is in the Kerala cadre, and he is the one who on 2019 the abrogation of Article 370 అనేది మనం తొలగించబడింది కదా. ఆ ఆర్టికల్ 370ని తొలగించే ప్యానెల్లో మిస్టర్ గణేష్ కుమార్ ఒకరు. తొలగించిన ప్యానెల్లో మిస్టర్ గణేష్ కుమార్ ఒకరు. సో he is the one, and he also the sub collector of Kochi and district divisional magistrate of Ernakulam, and he is worked as several different portfolios in Kerala, and he is worked as the central government. He is worked under central government Ministry of Transport, Ministry of the Road Transport, Secretary, Under Secretary, Deputy Secretary of Ministry of Road Transport, and Ministry of Heavy Industries and IT and Communications, and he was retired on January 2023. After retirement, he was in 2024. In 2024, he was joined in the election commission. The top three election commissioners are there, right? మనకి మొదటి ముగ్గురు ఎలక్షన్ కమిషనర్స్ ఉంటారు కదా. ఆ ముగ్గురులో ఈ గణేష్ కుమార్ ఒకరు. అండ్ ఆయన ఒక సీనియర్ మోస్ట్ IAS ఆఫీసర్ అండ్ సీనియర్ మోస్ట్ బ్యూరోక్రాట్ who is eligible as the chief election commissioner after completion of the period of Mr. Rajiv Kumar, and he was appointed as the chief election commissioner of India on he was appointed as the chief election commissioner of India on 18th February, and he will going to take charge on 20th February, and he will complete his tenure on March 31st 2029. 2029 ఆయన పదవీ కాలం ఎప్పుడు ముగుస్తుందండి? ఆయన పదవీ కాలం 2029 మార్చ్ 31st ముగుస్తుంది. ఆయన ఎప్పుడు ఛార్జ్ తీసుకున్నారు? 2025 ఫిబ్రవరి 18th ఛార్జ్ తీసుకున్నారు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద హోల్ biography of Mr. Ganesh Kumar, who is the current CEC, Chief Election Commissioner of India.